This is a short tutorial on how to create an Animoto video. So when you have signed up for your account, you click Create and you will see two options. One is more so for maybe professional advertising. The basic one that works really well for education is Animoto Memories. So click Create, and from there you're given a choice of video style, and you can see here they've recommended for education up the top because I have an education account. And you can browse by category down here. There's lots and lots of choice, and as we look through them you can see some to do with nature, some to do with travel, and then just some that are pretty colours. I'm going to go for the earth one because I see a butterfly and I like butterflies. So that's a preview of the video with the earth theme on it, and it says just add photos and videos. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. We'll click create video here because we're happy with that theme, and that loads the video creator. With every Animoto video there comes a suggested sample song to go with it. The great thing for Animoto in Ori is that these are copyright free music that you can use. So again, you're being ethical and showing students how to do that responsibly as well. If they have their own music that they have purchased that they are entitled to upload, they can also do that. So with the songs, you can change song if you want to be really creative, and I often found when I did this with my students, they were very fussy about everything, so they spent time thinking about all of the music options that were available for them there. So you can listen to the different music and choose the one that you think is really nice. There's again popular for education songs as well. What we're just going to do for this is keep the song they have suggested, so it's up there. So very, very simple steps in creating an Animoto video. When you have your theme and your song, you're simply adding. So clicking plus to add photos, videos and text. So if I want to add photos, I click here, and I have a few options. I can upload photos. So again, if I'm after taking pictures or I've done some research and saved images to my device, I can upload them. But equally, I can upload from anywhere that I might have my photographs already, or from free stock content. Again, for this sample video, I'm going to use free stock content. Again, good to show students that there's images that are available online for use, for free, so that we're not stealing anybody's images for this. So in this sample one, again, I'm going to see a bit of travel here because we can't travel right now as we're making this Animoto video, so we will maybe get some inspiration from this category. So you select the images that you like, and you can imagine doing something like this in Ori, maybe for the search for meaning, creation accounts, what people value, their values, living their values, seeing the world around us, nature, finding meaning in nature, and so on. So, sorry, if I select these, I have to actually hold down to select more than one at once. So let me just select a few of them from this so that we are doing it all in one go. I'll select a few more. It's definitely making me want to, that's actually a lovely image that looks like a moral compass there. So we'll add those in. I've popped in quite a few there. So again, you can imagine students have already, if this is their research they're presenting on a topic, a person of commitment, the search for meaning, a place of worship, whatever topic they're working on, they'll already have their images, maybe researched, selected and saved to a folder that they can just upload. So for this sample one, I've inserted those videos. The other option, remember, with the plus here was to insert text, so that's the T for text. That lets me put in a title. So let's just call this the search for meaning. And we'll say maybe exploring the world. So sometimes when we travel, we can really feel a connection to other people, other cultures, and realize how much we all have in common. So this could be a sample project. So I pop that in there. I want the title to come at the beginning of the video. So I take it from there and simply hold and drag to get it to the very beginning, which is up there. So that's how easy it is to rearrange things. I see this one here. I might decide that actually I don't particularly like this one, do I? Coconut water. Oh, maybe that would be nice. Okay, we'll leave that one. Is there anyone that we don't like? Let's look at this one for a minute. I can delete that one. There's a little, down the bottom there's a delete button. I don't know if you could see that on the screen. It's a little rubbish bin, and click delete. So you have that freedom and flexibility to change your mind, move things around, you know, reorder things as you wish, and you can also add text to each image, like a little subheading. So, for example, let's go to this one and see where it says caption. Simply clicking on caption, you can type in a caption. So and you hit save down the bottom when you're done. So you can put in captions for every single image. So again, for students presenting research, they can use text quite a lot. You can put text boxes like the title in between every image, and you can put titles on images. So that really allows them to build up text and images. But again, Animoto is a visual presentation. If you want something that's full of text, you know, you better off maybe writing an essay or something. This is obviously going to be led by the visuals, but the text to explain, to support, to build up that information, to present their findings from research, or their review of a topic. It's a really easy to do, and probably in terms of sparking creativity, it definitely can enhance students to really focus on what something might look like, and then what are the main points that they want to get across in their presentation. So that's really, it's so simple. We've got the style, which was the earth style at the beginning. We've added photos. You can add videos as well, short videos. So any of these could be a video if you wanted. I'll show you very quickly. When you click on here, there's the video option here. So again, if you have your own videos saved, you can just pop them in, but they will just play as short videos really. Let's add in one, maybe little aerial video of the earth. That looks nice. We'll add it in just so you can see how a video plays in the middle of it. Let's move it up. We'll move it around wherever we like the earth. We'll put it in beside the map. There. So you'll see as we play the final product what that looks like. So we've added our text. There's some options there, quick things. So if we wanted to, for example, if we really like this map, we could hit spotlight. It'll just spend a bit more time on it. So you can, get a little bit creative. You can rotate images. You can copy them if you want. And again, you've always got the option here to delete anything that you don't want. So we can now preview the video. Again, that has been so quick in preparing it. And so this was a real time and effort is what images and text do you want to include, and having that sense of it. Here's a preview. That's our video clip within the video. So you see how that's different to the still images. So that is what our video will look like. It looks like we are experts at video editing, whereas in fact Animoto has done all the hard work for us. We have just picked the images and picked the text we want to put in. So you have a lot of control, but ultimately it does the hard work for you. Very quick to use, very easy to use. Click produce when you're happy with the video. You can give it a title. My Animoto video will do there. You can put in the details if you want, a description and so on. You can upgrade. There's no need to do that. The education account gives you everything that you need for now. So it'll take a few minutes for the video to be produced. But when you do, you have it just as we saw in the preview. That's what the video will look like. Options for sharing then. You can share it, share the link to it, and you can download it and then upload it to any other websites that you want. Or again, students can share it with you, through email or onto a class website or something, using the link, or again, uploading it as a finished video. So that's Animoto. A great opportunity for students to be creative in ORI class.